If you don't know Clickfunnels and Getresponse, which software is perfect for you? No worry guys, this video is for you because today I am going to show you Clickfunnels and Getresponse review. At the end of video, you can easily understand which software is perfect for you. Hey everyone, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will review best digital tools that can help your business. Before watching our video, let's see guys what I will show you today. At first, I will show you what is Clickfunnels and Getresponse. Founders of Clickfunnels and Getresponse. Features Clickfunnels and Getresponse. Clickfunnels and Getresponse pros and cons. Clickfunnels and Getresponse pricing. At the end, I will show you which is perfect for you. So guys, let's dive in. So guys, what is Clickfunnels? Clickfunnels is a website builder platform. You can easily create beautiful sales funnel with this platform. But Clickfunnels is not only sales funnel builder. They can provide many things. They can provide marketing automation tool, smart shopping cart, auto funnel builder, and many things. On the other hand, GetResponse is a email marketing software, but they don't only provide email marketing software. They can provide automation, marketing funnel, marketing advertising, and you can create landing page with GetResponse. ClickFunnels and GetResponse founders. ClickFunnels software created Russell Brunson. Russell Brunson is a great entrepreneur. On the other hand, GetResponse software created Simon Grabowski. ClickFunnels and GetResponse features. GetResponse provide many things. They can provide email marketing, paid ads, sales funnel, pop-up from autoresponder, marketing automation, website tracking, live and on-demand webinar, transaction email, dedicated support. GetResponse provide email marketing. They can provide professional template. You can easily use this email template. They can provide website builder. You can easily create your website builder without knowledge any coding because they code free website builder. GetResponse provide webinar. When you can use GetResponse, you can easy to set up your webinar, powerful results with the complete marketing webinar software. They can provide powerful marketing webinar software, guys. Marketing automation. You can easily create your automation with this software. You can easily show your email analytics, how it's perform, good or bad. You can easily list your email management. When you can create your website builder with GetResponse, you can easily drag and drop editor, domain management, forms and pop-up, redesign template, AI power creator, marketing automation, text and scores, automation flows, abandon cart email. You can easily recover lost sales with your automated email, product recommendation, sell more with automated product recommendation, website visit tracking. Guys, you can easily tracking your website visitor. When you can use webinar, you can easily share your screen, call to action button, on demand webinar, white pools and survey. You can easily run your Facebook ads, Google ads, Facebook pixel, set up social ads creator with GetResponse. You can easily landing page, sign up from pop-up, Facebook pixel, countdown timer, e-commerce tool, create your landing page with GetResponse software. They can provide sales funnel, lead magnet funnel, list building funnel, e-commerce tool, webinar funnel, live chat. Guys, GetResponse provide customers tool, chat availability, visitor capture from chat analytics, chat notification. They can also provide web push notification, custom promote, unlimited notification, web push analytics. You can show your web push analytics easily with GetResponse software and automated notification. SMS marketing. They can provide also SMS marketing. You can easily edit your SMS. They can provide URL shorter SMS reports. That's the whole feature of GetResponse. ClickFunnels software features. ClickFunnels software provide many things. You can easily create beautiful sales funnel with this software. They can also provide landing page, email marketing, automation tool, drag and drop web page editor, sales funnel creator, and many things. So guys, let's compare to ClickFunnels and GetResponse features. ClickFunnels and GetResponse also provide landing page. They can provide email marketing, autoresponder. GetResponse provide newsletter template, but ClickFunnels don't provide newsletter template. GetResponse provide marketing automation builder, but ClickFunnels don't provide this. GetResponse and ClickFunnels also provide funnel builder, irrigation. ClickFunnels provide 26 languages, but GetResponse only provide English language. GetResponse provide push notification, but Clickfunnels don't provide push notification. GetResponse provide webinar, but Clickfunnels don't provide this. Clickfunnels and GetResponse provide pop-up from list segmentation, autoresponder, drag and drop editor, tracking and analytics, but Clickfunnels don't provide paid ads. GetResponse provide paid ads. Clickfunnels don't provide SMS marketing, but GetResponse provide SMS marketing. GetResponse provide live chat, but Clickfunnels don't provide this. GetResponse provide 24-hour 7-day support access. Both software provide them. Clickfunnels provide backpack and affiliate, but GetResponse don't provide this function. So guys, I hope you can understand what do these software features. Clickfunnels pros and cons. Clickfunnels pros. This software is very easy. You can easy to set up this software. The support is very reactive. Autoresponder and shopping cart features are included. Easy tracking of data. 14 days free trial. They can provide video tutorial, the best landing page builder. They can provide amazing features, and also they can provide 30-day money back guarantee. Clickfunnels cons. It's expensive compared to other platforms. They don't provide a follow-up funnel for basic plan. When you can purchase basic plan, they don't provide follow-up funnel, guys. This is the pros and cons with Clickfunnels software. GetResponse pros. This software is very easy to use. They can provide best customer service, 30-day free trial, 500 contact for free plan. GetResponse webinar functionality is awesome. No credit card required. Chat functionality is very good. GetResponse cons. All features are not provided for free plan. Drag and drop seem a little tricky. Automation email in a complex way. Phone support is not provided for free plan. This is the pros and cons. GetResponse and Clickfunnels software. Clickfunnels and GetResponse pricing. Clickfunnels provide two options: monthly plan and annual plan. The monthly basic plan is $97 per month. They can provide 20 funnel, 100 page, 20,000 monthly visitor, unlimited contact, 1 sub-user, 3 custom domain, 3 payment gateway, email support, and funnel flicks. And when you can choose platinum plan, $297 per month, and they can provide unlimited funnel, unlimited page, unlimited monthly visitor, unlimited contact, 3 sub-user, 9 custom domain, 9 payment gateway, great support, funnel flicks, platinum, follow-up funnel, weekly accounts, backpack, affiliate tools. There are many customer review this software. I have found the marketing platform that I have been searching for to help me create an online business so that I can help others, support my family, and become the entrepreneur that I want to be. Clickfunnels helps you to go from idea to live funnel fast. Clickfunnels makes super easy to build your funnel, sell product or service, and the trainings inside Funnel Flicks is worth a college degree alone. Terry Thompson. They can 100% risk. They can provide 30-day money back guarantee. If you don't like this software, you can easily return your money, guys. What is Funnel Flicks Platinum? When you choose Clickfunnels Platinum, you will also unlock the Platinum section inside Funnel Flicks, our giant course and training vault. You will get access to every course and training module for all things funnel marketing system, traffic, sales, copywriting, business strategy, and paid performance. It's like having the top internet marketing and personal development minds right in your living room. Up until now, members paid up $25,000 to attend some of this training, but they are included and you can start watching them as soon as you start your Clickfunnels Platinum trial. Guys, this is the Funnel Flicks they can provide. When you can choose the annual plan and basic plan $80 per month, you can save $194 per year. Platinum plan $247 per month. You can save your money $594 per year, guys. GetResponse pricing and plans. GetResponse provide free plan. You can use 500 subscribe your email list, unlimited newsletter, one landing page, website builder, connect your domain, sign up from and pop-up. And when you can choose 1000 contact, they can provide $19 per month. All include free plus and autoresponder, unlimited landing page, unlimited website builder, basic segmentation, email scheduling, integration, and API. And marketing automation, they can provide $59 per month, 1000 contact. Guys, you can choose your content. When you can choose your content, the pricing option is increasing. Email marketing plus marketing automation event-based automation, webinar, advanced segmentation, connect scoring, sales funnel. When you can choose e-commerce marketing plan, $119 per month, 1000 contact, marketing automation plus all they can provide, and quick transaction email, e-commerce segmentation, abandoned cart recovery, promo codes, product recommendation, web push notification. This is the monthly plan. When you can 12-month plan, they can discount 80%, guys. And when you can buy 24-month, they can provide 30% discount, which is perfect for you. Guys, if you are an affiliate marketer, as it is not problem, I can recommend that you can use Clickfunnels software, because you can easily create beautiful sales funnel. You can choose platinum plan because they can provide all the things. Guys, your budget is low, you can choose Getresponse software. Also, if you are an email marketer, I can recommend that you can choose Getresponse because they can provide many features for email marketer. The price is not very expensive to compare Clickfunnels. So guys, I hope now you can understand which software is good for you. Getresponse and Clickfunnels software you can find in my description box. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe if you don't miss my future video. Also, if you have any question, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So bye guys.